So now we're going to be adding in 2 apples. These are Aurora apples. These are my absolute favorite. They taste delicious. I get them from a farm here in BC. They're completely organic. And last, we're going to add in a vanilla extract. I'm using a medicine flower vanilla flavor, but you can use just regular vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're going to process this up in the food processor. Now the trick is you don't want to over process this. You still want it to be chunky. Like I said, you don't want to over process this, otherwise it's going to turn into a paste. So our granola is all done. Look at how beautiful it looks. I can smell the flavors, the ginger, the orange. So this is just a wonderful, healthy snack to have on hand, and I really hope you enjoy it.